From Divine's Star of the Light Aurora Ray, the Galactic Federation is upgrading humans' DNA right now. The first person to walk the world was a magnificent being endowed with great powers, thanks to their DNA's 12-helix structure. The 12-helix DNA system was created to help keep humans in balance with each other and with all of creation. It was designed to be a template for how we should evolve as a species, and it worked well for thousands of years until humanity started to deviate from its original purpose. Humanity's deviation from its original purpose has produced an imbalance within our DNA, which is causing us to experience many of the same symptoms that were experienced by our ancestors, who are not able to adapt well enough when they left Earth's atmosphere or entered other dimensions or frequencies. When our DNA becomes more energized and activated to the 12-helix, we will be able to reclaim our birthright as part of the universe and begin experiencing life at a higher level than we have ever experienced before. The Galactic Federation is upgrading humans' DNA right now. The Galactic Federation is returning to Earth to reawaken the 12-helix system in humans and put Earth on the right path as it enters a conjunction or alignment. This is nothing new. The Galactic Federation has been working with humanity for over 50,000 years, ever since they first arrived on Earth. This is a very good time for humanity to be aware of this new chapter in our development. It's a time for us to be alert and focused because we're entering a period where the Galactic Federation is upgrading the DNA of humans on Earth. As we become more aware of this situation, we will have more power over our lives than ever before. We need to understand how much control we have over our own lives and how much power we have as individuals. Once we realize this, it will give us more motivation than ever before to do what needs to be done in order for us all to evolve into higher beings together. The Galactic Federation has been monitoring the situation, and it's time for us to take action. We need to upgrade our DNA to 12-helix, our emotions, our thoughts, and our beliefs. And most importantly, we need to embrace our higher selves. What connection is there between the 12 information centers and this DNA activation? This DNA activation will result in the linking, opening, and energizing of the human chakra systems. The information then begins to seek its own expression and becomes accessible. Some events or circumstances can code or trigger this information, bringing it to the foreground and allowing it to begin speaking for itself. You are prepared to receive energy from a different set of 12 information centers once you are connected to the 7 centers that are inside your body and 5 that are outside it. Your process is further activated when you open your own 12 chakras, which connect you to the energy that is stored in parallel sets of 12 centers. The brain will finally reach its full, comprehensive, and higher function as a result of this. 144 flowing in. The truths have been instilled within each of us will be reactivated as we move forward, and many will begin learning more about their greater purpose and connection with the universe and each other. Those new understandings of purpose are not only at the core of what it means to be human, they are also key to Earth's great ascension and the rising of consciousness worldwide. This alignment of Earth and cosmic forces are positive in every way. It will raise the planet's consciousness and awareness and unite the planet's population, but part from those who choose to ignore it. How does the planetary transformation come about? It would begin with thousands upon thousands of myriads of Lightworkers activating their 12 chakra systems and setting out to return heaven to Earth. It will be taken care of by the Galactic Federation. It is important to remember that the Galactic Federation is not here to conquer, but rather to help our society evolve. It will not come as a pleasant surprise to many, as the dark forces have been lying to them for years. The time for the truth has arrived. We are not alone, and we have never been. Thanks to the constant vigilance of those off-world protectors, the space program has survived this long, and now we are finally ready to take our place beside our planets and civilizations. In the end, you can take this post with a grain of salt, but what you see above are the potential benefits of DNA activation and how it might be used in our true evolution. Earth is presented with the next step in its growth and evolution, a choice of going forward as it returns to its true self or staying as it is. We love you dearly. We are here with you. We are your family of light. We are the Galactic Federation. Aho, Aurora Ray, Ambassador of the Galactic Federation from the galacticfederation.com.